your AI feature goes viral, and your API bill becomes catastrophic overnight. Here's what most developers miss. Standard APIs charge per request, AI APIs charge per token, and one request can cost 10 tokens or 10,000. Rate limiting by request count gives you zero cost predictability. Instead, implement a sliding window that tracks input plus output tokens per user per minute. When they exceed the threshold, you throttle them. This is the only way to put a real ceiling on cost. Apply limits at 3 levels: per user to prevent any single account from burning your budget, per pricing tier so free users get fewer tokens than paid subscribers, and a global daily cap that protects your total monthly spend. Each layer catches a different failure mode. When limits are hit, don't return a generic 429. Tell users exactly which limit they hit, how many tokens they've consumed, and precisely when the window resets. Great error responses turn a frustrating moment into an upgrade conversion. The biggest mistake is hard rejection during burst traffic. A user fires 10 messages quickly, you reject 9. They churn immediately. Instead, use a queue. Accept every request, respond with a 202 accepted, then process asynchronously. Share the queue position and estimated wait time. Users tolerate a 5-second delay far better than an outright rejection. Reserve hard 429s only for clearly abusive patterns. Token tracking, layered limits, helpful error messages, and queuing over rejection. That's production-grade AI rate limiting. Follow for more advanced AI engineering interview answers. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.